To make money even when you're sleeping in 2024, you can explore the following step-by-step guide for beginners. Passive income streams. Passive income streams are sources of income that require little to no effort to earn. Some examples include 1. Dividend stocks. Invest in dividend-paying stocks that provide regular income payments. Choose stocks from reputable companies with a history of paying dividends. 2. Real estate investment. Purchase rental properties or invest in real estate investment trusts, REITs, that generate passive income through rent payments and property appreciation. 3. Peer-to-peer lending. Lend money to borrowers through platforms like Prosper or Lending Club and earn interest on the loans. 4. Affiliate marketing. Promote products through affiliate marketing programs and earn commissions on sales made through your referral links, even while you sleep. 5. Online courses. Create and sell online courses related to your skills or expertise through platforms like Udemy, Teachable, or Thinkific. Charge a one-time fee or a subscription fee for ongoing access to the course content. Automated systems. Use automated systems to streamline your business processes and reduce manual work requirements. Some examples include 1. Email marketing automation. Use email marketing automation tools like MailChimp, ConvertKit, or Drip to send automated emails based on triggers like signups, abandoned carts, or purchase confirmations. 2. Social media automation. Use social media automation tools like Hootsuite, Buffer, or Later to schedule and publish social media posts at optimal times for maximum engagement. 3. Content automation. Use content automation tools like CoSchedule, HubSpot, or Content Studio to create and publish blog posts, social media updates, and email newsletters based on predefined templates and workflows. Outsourcing. Outsource tasks that can be done by others to free up your time and focus on more important tasks that require your expertise and attention. Some examples include 1. Virtual assistants. Hire virtual assistants through platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or Virtual Staff Finder to handle administrative tasks like email management, scheduling appointments, and data entry. 2. Content writers. Hire content writers through platforms like Freelancer, Textbroker, or Cantina to create blog posts, articles, and product descriptions based on your guidelines and preferences. Customer support. Hire customer support representatives through platforms like Zirtual or Belay Solutions to handle customer inquiries and requests via email, chat, or phone during non-business hours when you're sleeping. Remember to always prioritize safety and privacy when exploring passive income streams and automated systems by choosing reputable platforms and communicating professionally with clients or employers.